Good day to you all. I'm Saghir Fatma, Maths teacher of class 7A. Let's start our today's class. Dear students, in previous lecture we learned about set and operations on sets. Now can you tell me what are the basic operations on set? Yes, basic operation on sets are complement, union, product, intersection, difference. What is union? Union of two sets, a set containing all elements belonging to either set A or B or in both A and B. It is denoted by A union B. U is the sign of union. We simply combine both sets together. In union we simply combine both sets together. Write in the sequence without repeating common elements. For example, set A and B are given, then find A union B. First you have to write A union B, then set A, elements A, B, C and D, then sign of union, then B, elements B, D, F, G. Now in union we combine both sets together without repeating common elements. So A, B is a common element, so we write once, then C, D again common element, we write once, then F, then G. A union B is a set containing all the elements belonging to set A, B or in both set A and B. What is intersection? A set containing common elements of both set A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B, inverted N is the symbol of intersection. Dear students, in intersection we simply take common element from both sets. If example set A and B are given, then find A intersection B. A intersection B. Set A, elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sign of intersection, then B, elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Now take common elements of both sets. So 2 is common in both sets, 4 also common element in both sets, and 6 also. So our answer is 2, 4 and 6. Dear students, today our main topic is difference of two sets. A set which contains all those members of set A which are not in B. It is denoted as A difference B. We can write in both ways, A difference B. We can also read as A minus B. Now example, set A and B are given, then find A difference B, and B difference A. First, A difference P. You have to write A difference P. Set A elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sign of difference. Then set B elements 2, 4, 6. Now all the members of set A which are not present in set B. So we have to write all the members of set A which are not present in set B. So 1 is not present in set B. Then 3 is not present in set B. And 5 also not present in set B. So A difference B is 1, 3 and 5. B difference A. First you have to write set B elements 2, 4, 6. Sign of difference. Now A elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all the members of set B which are not present in set A is our answer. So only 6 is an element which is not present in set A. So A is our answer. Example number 2. If set P and Q are given, then find P difference Q and Q difference P. First we solve P difference Q. P difference Q equal to set P difference Q. Now all the members of set P which are not present in set Q are answers. So 1 and 2 both are not present in set Q. So our answer is 1 and 2. Now Q difference P. First we have to write set Q, then sign of difference, then P. Now all the members of set Q which are not present in set P are answer. So 3 and 4 both elements are not present in set P. So our answer is 3 and 4. Homework. Students, do exercise 1.2. See, question 1 till 3. You have to do this work on Foldscape sheet. Write your name and class also. Punch it in a file. Submit your homework every Monday between 9 to 11 in the school office. Dear student, inshallah we will meet in next lecture. Stay home and take care of yourself. Thank you.